Oh my god. Please. Sorry guys. There's a lot of sound. See, you can also do some vlogging. हाँ, आप भी vlogging करो. उठा लूँगा, उठा ले करो. Okay, okay. चलो guys, let's go.
Stop! Come back!
Guys, we again came back to Universal Studio.
Take two. फिर से आ गए रे बाबा इधर.
Music.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Hello guys, we're here again daily at Singapore Hotel Boss and breakfast के लिए आ गए हैं. Today we'll be going to Sentosa. So getting late for us. Let's move on. So guys, we are moving towards Sabermont Cable Car. So हमने टैक्सी ले लिया है फिलहाल because one of our group member is not well, so he'll be moving the cab for now. चलिए let's see cable car experience moving towards Sentosa. Look like MG Road. यहाँ देखो, just see the distance how they maintain between each car. So well, मैं तो एक भी डेंट पे नहीं देखा किसी कार पे, कोई भी कार पे नहीं. Look at the distance they have. Beautiful. That's the reason it is for the reason Singapore.
बस यहाँ आते थे नहीं.
Looks like we are moving up the mountain. हाँ, second level. कहाँ है? Guys, we are just at the mount जहाँ से केबल कार सब मूव होते हैं, स्टार्ट होते हैं. माउंट फेबर, सॉरी. और इट्स ब्यूटीफुल व्यू, यू नो. माय वाइफ इज गेटिंग द टिकट्स, वाउचर रिडीम कर रहे हैं. एनी प्रॉब्लम? क्या हो रहा है? So guys, basically what she meant is the same ticket can be used to go to Sentosa and also come back from here, that is Mount Faber said.
This part should come in. Get my point?
Yeah, it's like the chocolate kind of.
Yeah, like this.
Thank you.
Okay, we're ready. Come, let's go here. Who's playing the picture? Let's go in one way.
They're going to board the cable car now. Bye bye. And by the way, these are complimentary guys.
Welcome aboard the Mount Faber line. We are now en route to Harbourfront and Sentosa.
Oh, this is open.
Oh my
I was like, there's a glass over there.
Shabbas, beta.
Yeah, this is more clearer here.
And 100 meters above sea level.
Oh,
Traveling
that
at
height?
average speed will take around 15 minutes. This will give you plenty of time to enjoy the views and take many photos and videos along the way.
Oh, we're gonna crash this? So guys, this is the Vivocity Mall, which is the biggest mall in Singapore, where you can go to Universal Studio and Sentosa Park, as shown in the previous video. Wait, we are not getting down here, right? Busiest shipping port.
And then we'll go down.
Oh god.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he's screaming.
We're going down.
Oh my god, that's a park. That's a water park. Yeah. Speaker to music. People look like I am. We can really hear people screaming.
They're screaming down, I guess.
Yeah, people screaming down. In the pool.
And ये रहा Sky Helix. So guys, we're here something like Luge Skyline go-karting के जैसा है at Singapore. We are in this queue for this building. पेमेंट करना है. Approximately हमें 1900 Indian rupees में per head पड़ रहा है. Guys, we are going for क्या बोल रहे हैं? I'll be with the baby, yeah. Oh, we are going.
Oh, it's a video.
We are going for Luge karting. What is it? जाके इलाज कराओ.
Take two.
Take two. something. This little guy.
So एक और बात, वैसे बेबी को अलाउ कर दिया गया बिकॉज द हाइट वाज मैचिंग द क्राइटेरिया.
Hey, little guy, what are you doing? Finding animals in the jungle? What?
Bungee, see, that's the bungee jumping point.
Oh God, scary.
I think the cart is stuck.
Guys, we again came back to Universal Studios.
फिर से आ गए रे बाबा इधर.
जहाँ पे
हम कल आए थे और वहीं से थोड़ा डिविएशन लेना पड़ता है सी एक्वेरियम के लिए. So friends, as I said, the Sea Aquarium is also part of 4-in-1 Sentosa Fun Pass, which is Night Safari, Sea Aquarium, Museum and Cloud Forest. All these costed us nearly 5,690 rupees per head per pass. Link in the description.
Hey Papa, we have fishes here. Wow. Hey, what is this? What is this, you know? Apple है. क्या है apple है? Apple क्या है? We have shark. What is that? Turtle. Oh, nakko.
What? We can touch the starfish here?
One finger, just touch the sides.
Okay.
One finger touch the sides only. Baby shark. Yeah, he's liking it.
You know which fish is that?
Parrot fish. Mano, zebra fish.
अच्छा नहीं.
नहीं.
Slowly. He's super excited.
और एक crab. I think this is the way they clean it from inside, so that it is visible for us from outside.
Sea anemone. क्या जुनू है? Juno, what is this? Jellyfish.
क्या कह रहे हैं?
Juno, what is this? Jellyfish.
One more.
क्या?
क्या वो? Which fish is it?
क्या? 2 बार बोल चुका हूँ यार. बहरा है क्या?
Which is screaming? I don't know. Look at the size of it. It's like a spaceship. Happy? चलो देंगे. Papa, do not sit there लिखा है.
Good Papa, very good. बोलते ही उड़ गया.
Wow.
clownfish.
They're all so big.
That's a very tasty fish, by the way.
It's tasty fish.
I don't know if I should say that here. Imagine I was like the tour guide. I'm like, by the way, that's a very...
Zebra fish, yeah.
Look here. It's one of the weirdest fish.
This is really cool.
Hey Papa, कहाँ जा रहे हैं? He's bored. Now he definitely wants to go.
Oh yeah.
Guys, we are done with the sea aquarium now. It was very wonderful. बच्चे को तो बहुत enjoy किया उसने. The kid enjoyed a lot. बस यही तो पैसा वसूल है उसके लिए. But अभी हम जाएंगे I think again to zip line और bungee jumping का है the Sentosa. So let's see how we can complete this wonderful place. The aquarium is done and we need to go by our bus. Guys, we are again coming back to Universal Studio.
ये चुप है.
You can see, you know, first time है तो you can actually make it in 1 or 2 days. आप plan करके अपना itinerary plan करो. You can finish up the trip in a go.
More moments later.
Guys, we are just walking towards for reaching this mega adventure park, which is for zip lining. Silosa beach करके है, वहाँ पे we reached through bus from the Sentosa park. ये भी Sentosa ही है, but there are a couple of things I'm not aware of, so we are just following the maps here.
आगे से left turn.
A few moments later.
Honestly guys, मुझे सच में पता नहीं where we are going, but I'm just following the group, following the maps and थोड़ा tiring है because baby है, इसलिए he's asleep as well. Baby सो भी गया है. We are just moving around. देखते हैं, just follow up with the.
Oh, is it so scary? ऊपर देखो.
Oh, triples are also there.
But it will cost around.
Swing was 55 tokens.
No, it is good. And guys, देखो ये bungee jumping के लिए 100 tokens पूरे चले जाएंगे शायद, which we have taken in the Sentosa Pass for around 8,500 rupees. और यहाँ पर अलग ही cost है.
Guys, head to the Sky Park where we are actually doing bungee jumping or also the giant slide, giant swing.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? Music.
Oh, it's okay, Mama carry you.
Guys, great bungee jumping.
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
बहुत ही खराब था, खतरनाक था. Just a fun loving experience. But मैंने not bungee jumping, sorry. What was that? Giant slide.
ए क्या तुतुल पुतुल.
Giant swing में हवा निकल गई. तो सोचो बंजी जंपिंग में तो सीधा ऊपर. बहुत डेंजर है। हमारे साथी लोग कर रहे हैं, हम वेटिंग फॉर देम। चलिए उनका वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं सबसे पहले।
By the way, guys, I forgot to tell you about one thing. Refer to this Sentosa Discover Pass, which is available on Klook also. Link मैं description में share कर दूँगा.
Yeah, they are here.
Look how he is screaming. I thought he's brave, but yeah, he is brave. I mean, बहुत height भी है. I don't think मैं करूँगा.
बस हवा निकल गई।
It's okay, you're all right. Good. It's already done. You already jumped. So we came out alive. Yeah, you're alive? Yeah. You're okay?
मैं नहीं मानता।
How was it? How was it?
So good. It was good. How can you? I would do it again. I would do it again.
Looks like there are no shutters now. How far is it?
We have Ola.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो।
फिर से आ गए यार बाबा. This place we were there in the morning as well, so everything is here itself. So it's in the same stretch, this Silosa beach goes till this bungee jumping place. So ये Taco Paw में हम लोग कुछ खा लेंगे अभी. Look at this guys, this is something where you can do indoor skydiving, which is again in the same Sentosa Island. अब हम लोग नहीं जा रहे हैं.
हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं?
So guys, we are waiting for some show to happen. क्या नाम था वो show का?
Wings of Fire.
Wings of Fire.
Lights will go.
Lights are off.
मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा माँ।
Won't notice we're gone, and I just want to have a look at these strange stones. They are so big.
Of time, of course.
A few moments later.
This video is gonna go long guys, so Wings of Time का मैं separate video link में upload करूँगा. Do watch on it.
And they'll still be here tomorrow.
Oh, of course.
चलो guys, let's go.
Stop! Come back!
चलो चलो। गाइस आज के लिए इस वीडियो में बस उतना ही।
रुको जरा सबर करो।
घर पहुंचे और घर नहीं, सॉरी रिजॉर्ट पहुंचे। रिजॉर्ट भी नहीं, होटल बोल सकते हैं।
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
होटल पहुंचे और वी आर जस्ट गेटिंग रिलैक्स्ड आवरसेल्व्स क्योंकि बहुत थकावट हुई है आज। वी डिड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एक्चुअली। आज के दिन जो हमने सीखा है, जो टेक अवेज है, that is cab are not so cheaper than metro. They are actually costlier than metro as well.
मेरे पास कोई अल्फाज नहीं है, मुझे माफ कर दे आप लोग सारे, मुझे छुट्टी दे दे। उठाना है पापा को। ओके सॉरी फ्रेंड्स। तो मोस्टली देखो हमने आज केबल कार एंजॉय किया, सेंटोसा में एंजॉय किया, वापस में भी आ सकते थे। टोकन्स फॉर द केबल कार वाज ऑलमोस्ट 25 टोकन्स पर डे। इट शुड बी फुल डे पास के जैसा है वो, बट इट वाज वेरी लेट बाय द टाइम वी एंजॉयड दिस विंग्स ऑफ टाइम एंड इट वाज अ वंडरफुल शो। तो या 9:30 से पहले तक ही उसका लास्ट टाइमिंग होता है केबल कार का। सेंटोसा से हम अगर बोर्डिंग करेंगे तो यहाँ तक आ सकते थे, माउंट फेबर तक। एनीवेज और जो फेवरेट जो एडवेंचर्स किए थे आज के दिन, जैसे द बंजी जंपिंग, जो कजन्स आए हुए हैं उन्होंने किया, मुझे तो मतलब हवा निकल गई थी। हम तो बस जेट स्विंग से काफ़ी खुश है। मस्त जोक मारा रे।
बट या दो थिंग्स आप अगर यूज करना चाहोगे टोकन्स में, सेंटोसा जो पास में टोकन्स रहता है, तो दैट इज समवेयर 1 ईयर का वैलिडिटी कुछ है। हम तो 1 ईयर यहाँ नहीं रखने वाले हैं, तो 1 डे 1 प्लेस जाएंगे तो ही बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है। इफ़ यू आर स्टेइंग फॉर मोर नंबर ऑफ डेज देन प्लीज यूटिलाइज द पास। देखो बंजी जंपिंग इटसेल्फ इज 100 टोकन। प्लान योर नंबर ऑफ टोकन व्हेन यू बाय द सेंटोसा पास अकॉर्डिंगली। सिंस हमने पैकेज नहीं लिया था, तो देयर वाज वन कैच इन द जर्नी व्हिच वी हैड टुडे, एन एक्सपीरियंस सिंस 2 days। यू कैन से the problem is, when you take some passes or any kind of bookings or activities done from India itself or anywhere you are traveling to Singapore, what you have to do is please don't book any kind of passes, because every destination, every attraction is very much away from each other. So what happens is you'll be able to cover only 1 or 2 mostly, or maximum 3, but you'll find missing of attractions to visit because of the distance from each other. So if you are traveling via buses, procuring the taxi, moving here and there, planning, map, GPS, in सब में time ऐसे निकल जाएगा and you cannot continue or complete your tokens, passes or anything whichever you buy. So rather I would suggest कि directly वहाँ पे जाओ, if you are able to reach the destination, ask them
If it is permitted beyond this time or what time it works, then pay a ticket and use it. That's the best suggestion I would give if you are traveling for Singapore. There is no denying fact that the tokens do cost cheaper in the Sentosa Pass, but one thing is, if you have to recharge the tokens, like you fell short of any token, you need to go to some place which is very far. They don't usually, the activities or adventure organizers don't have themselves. So it is always a better option. I felt कि आप directly ticketing भी करके वहीं से use कर सकते हो. That will cost you pricey, but it will reduce your time and effort. कल देखते हैं, maybe we can go to some museum and क्या बोलते हैं, gardens by the bay. These are beautiful places. The nature-loving people should visit, and let's see if we can cover up all those things. So guys, now it's time to sleep, and it's very late. So ये भी उठा लो, come पापा, come, I'll take you up. Baby's tired. So चलिए फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.